Okay, so as you can tell, it's pretty crappy weather. So unfortunately, being the UK, we've got rain today. And as I knew when I started these vlogs, this would probably happen. So today is just going to be a basic vlog like this today. Nothing much is going to happen apart from the sort of like B-roll sequence that you just watched and things. And that's it really. I've been meaning to save a day for editing anyway, and just simply editing all day. So today is going to be the day where I just sit in, get a load of jobs done with editing, and then tomorrow hopefully will be another good vlog. So anyway, thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for tomorrow when hopefully the weather will be a bit better and we can actually get some good vlog content. So cheers guys.